All right, unboxing of the WEN 13-inch thickness planer. It is model number 6552. T as in Tom. It is from WEN Products, Great Lakes Technology LLC. That's actually, if you buy it from them, which I did, that's where your credit card is going to see the Great Lakes Technology on it. I didn't call them, ordered it online. It was the cheapest one. I checked eBay, checked with everybody. You don't need a team lift. It's not that heavy. I lifted this by myself by the straps. But anyway, like I said, I looked at eBay. I looked at Amazon, and they were the cheapest. I think it was $3.59 for it. So this is the unboxing. I'm doing this one-handed, so bear with me here a second. As I try to do this one-handed. All right, so wow, packed in there pretty good. Okay, it's got a cover, piece of cardboard on it. Take that off. Out of there. Instruction manual, of course. This is the 3-bladed unit, if you were wondering. Okay, this is going to take, let's see if I can set this up where you can see what I'm doing. Let's see, let me reverse this camera. Anyway, don't know how to reverse the camera, so we're just going to set it up. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing here. Shouldn't be that hard to get out of here. Let's see, it's got a handle on it. Oh. I don't know if you can see that, but that wasn't very graceful. Let's see, nothing else in the box. Get rid of the box. Pick you guys back up. Let's see. Piece of packing tape right here. Looks like it comes pretty much assembled. Dust collection port. Table, power cable. It has some tools here. Let's see what's in this bag. Right, gonna be the knob. Any thickness. That's gonna go on top here. It's got that, I think, is for taking out the blades. More knobs, a stopper, and a set screw, probably to set this in place. Looks like that's the only assembly that there is. Gonna have to put the knob on to actually, let's see if we can get that on there real quick, temporarily. And up is this way, so we're gonna lift it up and pull this out. That's just a packing block. Looks like they lowered the rollers down that feed it, the feed rollers, or whatever those are. It's got a piece of protection on the granite slate or whatever that is that's under there. Well, that's the unboxing of the unit. Like I said, I just temporarily set this up there, but it looks like that's just going to screw in with this. I'm sure that fits that. This, not sure exactly where that goes. We'll have to read the instructions on that. These come with little washers in there. They're magnetic. Not exactly sure what those are for, but that'll come with the installation and reading the instructions. That'll be another video. Again, this is the WEN 13-inch. Don't know how, real quick. Like I said, this, I wanted the, I don't know why I necessarily needed it, but I wanted the 3-blade. The three blade one. Like I said, it's supposed to have 3 blades in there. Oh, it's kind of, you're gonna have to disassemble this some to see the blades, I think, unless I can get underneath this thing. Give me a couple more minutes. Try not to make this video too long, but let me raise this up. Get up underneath here. It's not plugged in, so I'm safe. 1. Yep, there's gonna be 3. There's gonna be 3 blades, and I can spin them. They're pretty sharp. Anyway, that's the unboxing. Like I said, I'm been wanting one of these kind of, and then kind of don't want it. But I'm getting ready to make some butcher block countertops, and with that many seams, I ain't sanding all that. So ain't. Anyway, someone's gonna give me a hard time because of my accent. This is going on 6 minutes. I'm gonna kill it. This is just a direct video. Like I said, this is the box it came in. And that's a wrap.